In the Mediterranean region of the world, olive oil is used for cooking a variety of meals. Researchers believe this is the reason for the lower rate of heart disease and stroke cases in the region. Thus, olive oil has proven to be beneficial to our health, but how beneficial is it truly? In this video, I will be telling you the health benefits of drinking olive oil. Olive oil is made from the fruits of the olive tree, scientifically known as Olea europaea. Although it is mainly used as cooking oil, it can also be drunk and is used by some religions as a religious item. Here are the health benefits of consuming olive oil. 1. Provides recommended amount of healthy fat. Medical practitioners and dieticians advise that a person should get at least 20% of calories from polyunsaturated fat and monounsaturated fat. These types of fats are good fat and would improve overall health whilst preventing obesity. Olive oil contains 73% monounsaturated fat, 14% saturated fat, and 11% polyunsaturated fat. Its monounsaturated fat content is mainly oleic acid, while omega-6 and omega-3 make up its polyunsaturated fat content. Drinking a few tablespoons of olive oil daily can compensate for low amounts of healthy fat in your diet. 2. Provides nutrition. Olive oil is rich in antioxidants, essential compounds that eliminate harmful free radicals in the body. Antioxidants protect from inflammation and high blood cholesterol, two conditions that increase the risk of complications like heart disease. 3. Fights chronic inflammation. Although inflammations are a natural body response to stimuli like infection, prolonged inflammations are known to precede illnesses such as stroke, type 2 diabetes, Alzheimer's disease, arthritis, cancer, obesity, and heart disease. The antioxidants in olive oil have anti-inflammatory properties and therefore are very beneficial. Oleocanthal, a major antioxidant in olive oil, is as effective as anti-inflammatory drugs like ibuprofen. Also, oleic acid lowers the level of body inflammatory indicators like C-reactive protein. 4. Prevents stroke. Stroke is caused by blockage of blood flow to the brain, a result of high blood cholesterol. It is the second most common cause of death in the world, behind heart disease. Because olive oil has high unsaturated fat content, it aids in preventing stroke. Consuming food loaded with saturated and trans fat would increase total cholesterol levels and cause fatty deposits to build up in arteries. When these deposits tear off, clot forms at the spot and can block blood flow to body parts. Oleic acid, omega-6, and omega-3 fat increase good HDL cholesterol. This is good cholesterol and does not cause a buildup of fatty deposits, which reduces the risk of stroke. 5. Prevents heart disease. In the USA, a person dies of heart disease every 34 seconds. This makes it the most fatal illness in the United States and the leading cause of death in the world. Heart disease is also an effect of fatty deposit buildup in the arteries. When it causes the blockage of blood flow to the heart disease occurs. Research showed that there was a lower number of heart disease cases in Mediterranean countries like Egypt and Israel. Extensive studies revealed that olive oil was the main ingredient in their meals and was likely the cause of the lower heart disease rates. Olive oil prevents inflammation, lowers bad LDL cholesterol levels, and blood pressure. It also stops excessive blood clotting and improves the wall lining of arteries. This lessens the risk of developing heart disease. 6. Antibacterial properties. Olive oil can get rid of some harmful bacteria in the body. It is used in the treatment of Helicobacter pylori, the bacterium responsible for stomach ulcers, and is believed to also cause stomach ulcer. Consuming olive oil can help kill 8 different strains of the bacterium. These strains include 3 that are resistant to antibiotics. 7. It may help lower the risk of cancer. Cancer is a very elusive illness and there are no verified findings on its cause, prevention, and cure. However, research conducted in 2020 revealed that olive oil has certain effects on gut bacteria believed to cause colorectal cancer. Some compounds found in olive oil have cancer-fighting properties. Studies have shown that women that consume olive oil have lower risks of developing breast cancer. Also, people living in the Mediterranean region are less likely to have cancer due to their regular olive oil intake. 8. Supports brain function. Oleocanthal found in olive oil counters the effects of oxidation in the body. Oxidative stress is linked with Alzheimer's disease, a neurodegenerative disorder that causes the body to lose some important brain functions like memory. The antioxidant lifts the blood-brain barrier, which has a dangerous effect on the brain. It also reduces inflammation, slowing the progress of the disease. 9. Stabilizes blood sugar. Having a bottle of extra virgin olive oil is advised for those suffering from type 2 diabetes, as well as those trying to prevent it. Diabetes is caused by high blood sugar content, and fats are particularly good at slowing the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. Oleic acid offers great protection against insulin resistance, thereby aiding in stabilizing blood sugar levels. 10. Supports bone health. Inflammation triggers the activity of osteoclast cells, which break down bone cells. It is easily evident why anti-inflammatory food like olive oil promotes stronger bones. Olive oil is the most ideal choice for cooking. Due to its high smoke point, olive oil can be used for stir-frying, sautéing, baking, and deep frying. When used to fry vegetables like tomato and pumpkin, olive oil boosts their antioxidant content and flavor. It is safe to say no other cooking oil matches olive oil in versatility or flavor. It can also be drunk, and some believe this quickens the absorption of its nutrients, but this is not proven. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel, and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on 13 amazing health benefits of olive oil. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.